So first of all, I'm going to start from this front view. So select this YZ plane and I'm going to create this model. Okay. Starting with the rectangle from the origin. Now dimension it. I think these dimension are in mm, but we have mentioned here it is inches. So I'm going to take it as a inches and it is 18. Close. See here we have a reverse fillet. So I'm going to take same as it is looking here. Extrude. Select it and 92 and the half of 92 is use this symmetric 92 divided by 2 and okay. Next, again the same plane and using this profile from this line a little bit up here, a little bit up again here and up to this and close this. Now dimension it. The thickness is it is 6 and here it is 12. So sorry, it is also 12. Okay, 12. Change it to 12 and 53. This 53 and this gap is 125 from here to center. So I'm going to select from this origin to this line as 125. Here we have 125 and here I need a 6 radius. So I'm going to leave this gap as a 6. The sketch is fully constrained. Finish. Now extrude it. Symmetrical and don't unite it. Okay, just keep it none. Okay, and here we have the plate 6 and here also 6. So use this edge blend. 6 is a radius. Select this and apply. Close and here it is 18. So we can change this here. Let's go and apply here 18 and second is the offset. Okay, so fillet between these two is 18 is the radius. Okay, and from the offset, click here offset. Offset gap is 12. So I want to offset it, not the connected curve. I want the single curve only. So click here and offset single curve, click, and the distance is 12 and close. Now use this trim. So I want to delete this one. Okay, it is over constraint, that's why I'm going to delete it and delete this one as well. Okay, now sketches fully constrained and properly, just exit. See, this is the look and unite it now. Unite these two or later we will do this, no problem, because we have to combine these two. Now select and I'm using this face because I know the distance is 6 from here. So click the circle and the dia is 40 and second dia is 18 and the center is the same. Finish. Now extrude it, click only single curve, okay, not select the both. So reset, extrude, and use a single curve. This is a curve, and in this direction it is 6. Okay, below this limit it is 6, and the total is from here to the top is 120, and we have already this 55 is here, so rest is 55 minus 6 is 49, so minus 49. Okay, and unite it with this one, apply, close, and this total is 120, so I'm going to check it from this measure, and my direction is this vertical from this face to this face, 120, so it is right. Now select in wireframe, and I'm going to cut it, the circle here and make it subtract from this body. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, now this all is complete. Now we have to define this, and for that unite these two and apply a fillet of 6. Now this rib, so select the same middle plane, and here from this point to here, and again match. Now let's dimension it, and the dimension is 42 and 24 from here. So from this line to this is 24, and dimension this from the center to this line is 40. Okay, and select this point, and this point, make them horizontally aligned, and the same I am doing with this horizontal line. Here we have to define fillet, so fillet is 42, and 12 is the radius from the top. So I am using this arc from here to this and make it tangent. So make this line, delete it, and this should be tangent. It is already tangent, and here this line and this arc, make them tangent, and double click over it, and radius is 12, and one distance is still remaining. So from here to this point vertical distance is 24. Okay, no problem, just undo. Now it is closed, finish, and I'm going to extrude this 7 in symmetrical. here it is not properly matched. Why so? So again select this extrude, and here we have the region boundary, and this is my region boundary, and use as symmetric, and 7 is a gap, and unite it. Okay, it is not properly matching here, so just keep it done and okay. And now I'm going to replace this. So here we have replace face. This is the replace face. I want to replace this with this one. Okay, it is not possible, it is not selecting. So delete this, and let us see the ripped one, and I'm going to select single curve, and here it is 7 symmetrical. Now okay, it is still here, some problem is there. So double click here, and from here I'm going to match it. Okay, and click here and make this line as a reference line. So rest is same. Again I'm going to use this rig and use single curve. Seven. So symmetrical, change it to 14. Okay, and now I'm going to apply this fillet of radius 12. Here 12 is the radius, and okay. Hide this sketch, and I need two holes here, so I'm going to use this hole command. Click this face and position it. From here it is 20, and from here it is 28, and 16 is the bar. Simple hole, value through body, apply. On the opposite side I need the same hole, so mirror it, mirror feature. So this is our model.